Smart frugal budgeting for everyday life. Do you often find yourself running out of money by the end of the month? If yes, don't worry. Today, I'm sharing practical frugal budgeting tips that will not only save you money, but also make life simpler and more manageable. First, take control of your expenses. Start by creating a list that separates your essential expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries from non-essential ones, such as dining out, frequent cafe visits, or impulse online shopping. This simple exercise will help you see exactly where your money is going and identify areas to cut back. Second, shop smart. Never go shopping without a plan or a list. Stick to what you need and avoid unnecessary purchases. Consider buying from local stores or wholesale markets where products are often more affordable. If you shop online, make the most of discounts and cashback offers. And remember, a sale doesn't mean you have to buy. Stick to your budget. Third, focus on saving at home. Turn off lights and appliances when not in use. Fix leaks to save water. Instead of dining out, cook your meals at home. It's cheaper and healthier. For broken items, try repairing them before replacing them. Most importantly, set aside 10-20% of your income every month for savings. These simple yet effective frugal budgeting tips can help you save money and gain financial stability. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, spend wisely and stay happy.